Hello dear friends, you can send your photos as documents using WhatsApp on Android. Follow the steps. Tap on WhatsApp icon to open the app. Select an account. Go to the message box and tap on file speaker icon. Tap on document. Tap on browse documents. Find the image you want to send. Tap on the image. Tap on send. In the same way, you can send multiple photos at a time. Tap on file speaker icon. Tap on document. This time select choose from gallery. Go to your folder. Select the photos and tap on send. On the confirmation pop-up, tap on send. When you make a documents of your photos, their quality remains exactly same. There is no loss in resolution, visual clarity, brightness, exposure or any other things. Please subscribe the channel friends if the video is useful for you. Also don't forget to like the video and tap on bell icon. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.